Hello and welcome back to my 30 videos in 30 days challenge. Today's video is inspired by Tim Sway. I'm going to build a box very similar to his business card holder to hold our Phase 10 game, and I'm going to use this reclaimed drawer side from a dresser that I picked up on the side of the road for free. I was going to use the same drawer side material to make the top and the bottom for the case, but I have this scrap piece of mahogany I think will work better. It could be dangerous if you didn't know that nail was going to come through. I find these pin nails, you can just send them through and then bend them back and forth and break them off, and they hold really well till the glue dries. They don't do much other than hold till the glue dries, but they hold really well till the glue dries. To transfer the image onto the wood, I'm going to use this gloss gel medium, and I use my inkjet printer. I printed the word Phase 10 on this piece of paper backwards. To use this gel medium, all you have to do is paint it onto the wood that you want the image to be on. Painted fairly thick, but not too thick. Probably thicker than I'd put paint though. Lay the image where you want it, then paint it again through the image. After this dries, you'll be able to peel away the paper, and most of the ink will stay on the wood. Now that the gel medium has dried, I can scrub the paper away using a wet rag. I find it's best to get the paper wet, wait a minute or two, and then peel the paper away and then scrub what's left of the paper. I'll finish it with a couple coats of clear lacquer. Thank you for watching me make a new case for our Phase 10 game using reclaimed materials. Thank you, Tim, for the inspiration. If you like this video and you'd like to make sure that you don't miss any of my 30 videos and 30-day series, please subscribe to my channel. Until next time, peace.